Oftentimes, people are not sure whether to use a brush, a roller, or a spray gun for painting a particular project. Personal preference plays a part, but first consider what kind of finish you want, smooth or textured. Now, rollers generally create a textured finish, so they're ideal for walls and ceilings. You can also use them for larger areas of woodwork, but they should always be followed with a brush, something called back brushing. Sprayers do create a smooth surface, but they also require you to mask all the adjacent surfaces you don't want to paint. Often the additional time that takes negates the time advantage of spraying altogether. That makes them a good choice for a shelf unit that can be painted out in the open, or something like cabinet doors that can be removed from the cabinet prior to coating. When you want a smooth surface inside or in close proximity to other surfaces, it's usually best to use a brush to apply the paint. You'll have much better control over what you cover and what you don't.